Hi everyone, I am Rajesh. You are watching Visionary Rajesh channel. I welcome all of you guys and all my family members to my channel, and I always salute to your support that you are watching my video, and I hope you will enjoy this session. And in this session, without any late, I start the video. So this is the session regarding the scholarship that's already declared by the UGC Government of India, and regarding the minority caste, like who are belong to Muslim, Sikh, Buddhi, Parsi, and one of the scholarship that's also provided to the girls, that is one girl, that is if you are a family having the one girl without any brother, okay, she will be entitled for this scholarship. Okay, without any late, I want to start this video. So before to start my video, it's my request to all of you guys, please support my channel. If you don't like, then it's okay, so please make a comment so that I can improve na. If you don't comment, how I can know actually what type of video you want to see in your future, because you are all my pillar members, you are all my family members, so you are every pillar member of my success. Okay, because of you I am here. And if I have talked about, I am an educator and motivational speaker, and I also want to ease your life. I want to be give the proper valuable information so that I can add the value in your life, and I want to educate all of you guys who have no information. Okay, so I want your support. So I cannot say like always subscribe, like, comment, share. If you think like this video will be useful for you, then automatically your heart will say what you can do. Okay, so without any late, start the video. Hello, this is the notification regarding the revised guidelines for the postgraduate Indira Gandhi scholarship scheme for the single girl child. If your parents or like your family members having one girl child without any brother, if you have the brother, you are not entitled or you are not able to apply. Okay, so you if you are one girl of your family, you can entitle. Okay, so this is the revised guidelines for the postgraduate Indira Gandhi scholarship scheme for the single girl child, that is as per the UGC guideline. Okay, so I want to update like the revised guidelines for the postgraduate Indira Gandhi scholarship scheme for the single girl child. What introduction it tells, like it is observed that number of girls as against the boys in certain status is declining. So it is a great matter of the concern. Okay, the females are concerned to be give birth to the male child. So the psychology, it's a very like the male child, we have to give the only birth to the child. So in order to make the balance between the like the sex ratio of the female and male, okay, so government is trying to give the education in a free of cost, or also promoting the girls higher education, so that the girls can come to the front and the girls have the power to change the life also, and they can change their livelihood also. Okay, so this is the mindset, to change the mindset, the government empowering the girls. The Union Government of India has taken the various steps to the uplift of the status of women by implementing various schemes including free education for the girls. Okay, so in order to achieve and promote the girls education, UGC has introduced a postgraduate Indira Gandhi scholarship for the girls child with an aim to compensate direct cost of the girls child to all level of the special purpose of girls who happen to only the girl child in their family. The criteria is single girl child. Okay, objective is to support the postgraduate education of the single girl child in a non-professional. So this is the non-professional course for, okay, if you are if you want to professional course, this is not suitable for you. If you are non-professional doing the PG course, this you can entitled for this. Okay, scholarship. To recognize the value of observed small family norm. Okay, target group is admitted various non-professional, whatever the PG courses, that should be non-professional in any university college that happen to be only girl child in their family. The mandatory eligibility is one girl child. Okay, without any brother. Eligibility is a single girl child of her parents in a family of one son and one daughter is available, then girl child will not be considered. If you have the one brother, you are not eligible. Okay, the scheme is applicable to such single girl child who have taken the admission in a regular full-time first year master degree course. If you are pursuing any distance course, you are not covered. Okay, so nature of assistant, what are the number of slots for the scholarship is 1200 for the year, and it is exempted that institution where students are taking the admission in the first year PG courses, no tuition fee will be charged by the institution from the girl student pursue who are PG courses as per the UGC section 2F and 12B UGC Act 1956. Okay, and what are the scholarship will be provided? 2000 per month for a period of 2 years, 10 months. Like you know the 10 months is given, like 2 months is holidays. Okay, so total 20 months. Okay, no other additional grant will be not payable. Okay, procedure of monitoring, they will monitor if you are if any student it will be given for the 2 years. Okay, if I discontinue, you have to take the approval. Okay, without any prior approval, you have to give the refund. Okay, the whole amount for the deed return in favor of secretary UGC concerned institution will be responsible if you are not giving the prior notice, if you are like the left your course. Okay, and UGC may terminate scholarship if you are misconduct or unsatisfactory progress, like if you are not like the making the mark of the 60%. Okay, course, if you are not scoring the 60% in your first master degree program. Okay, so it will be cancelled for the second year. Okay, candidate being found eligible in latter date shall be faced with penal action. Documents to be submitted, like the candidate is required to submit an application prescribed format. Okay, proof of admission to be first year degree courses in a recognized Indian university courses under the section of 2F and 12B of UGC Act, and affidavit is needed also 50 rupees stamp paper from the student or the parent who is sent, or like the SDM or the first class magistrate or gazetted officer not below the rank of Tahsildar. Okay, a certificate from the college university where the student have taken the admission to the first year PG courses in the current academic year, and a certificate to be submitted by the concerned university. Every year university institution will submit a compile the statement of the following. Suppose you are fulfilling 1 year, so college will be responsible, they have to submit a complete of 1 year statement. Okay, so this is the notification regarding the scholarship under the single girl child as per the Indira Gandhi scholarship is concerned. If your family having one girl child, and government also promoting the higher education for the women empowerment, for the girls empowerment, so that in the society the girls can come with the boys also, so that they can change their livelihood also. They should not they cannot depend upon their their upcoming husbands, like their family. Okay, so education has the basic tool. Education is the main source, like you can change your life also. Even if the terrorist, you can change through by education. So education, you can give the education is the basic need for every human being. So in the society, both half is men and half is women. So we have to make forward together. For that purpose, our patriotic, like we are giving only male child, we are not in favor of female. Okay, we are looking for the bride, like the bride is a girl, but where in the case of the birth, we are not in the favor of female. Okay, so this is our negative mindset. So in order to change it, the government promoting the girls education. So if you are pursuing first year degree courses, it's a non-professional, for the non-professional courses. Okay, so if you have any brother, so you are not entitled. If you are single girl child, then in that case you are applicable, and for that purpose you have to consult with your college or university. Okay, so they will give or they will help you. Okay, so this is the guideline for the post graduate Indira Gandhi scholarship scheme. Okay, as per the applicable, as per the UGC. Okay, 12P and 2F. Okay, this is the second scheme for the Molan Molan Azad National Fellowship for the minority student. If you are belong to particular minority student, like if you are belong to particular Muslim communist or the Muslim caste, like the Sikh, Buddhi, Parsi, like minority beside the Hindu. Okay, so in particular in India, okay, you are entitled for the minority scholarship as per the scheme of Molan Azad National Fellowship. Okay, the Molan Azad National Fellowship for the minority student is formulated and founded by the Ministry of Minority Affairs. Okay, the scheme is open to the candidate who belongs to one of the minority community, that is maybe Muslim, maybe Sikh, Parsi, Buddhist, or the Christian. Okay, wish to pursue higher education. In that case, you are entitled. Okay, objective, like if you are like the objective scheme to provide the integrated 5 years fellowship. If you are pursuing the MPhil and PhD, okay, in that case you are entitled. Okay, so it's already noted, like the central government to pursue higher education such as MPhil and PhD, the scheme will cover all the university institutions recognized by the University Grant Commission under the section of 2F and the section 3 of UGC Act 1956, along with those which are not under the purview of the UGC will not be implemented. Okay, target of eligibility is the candidate belong to one of the minority community who have passed postgraduate examination with a minimum of 50% you have in concerned subject and who desire to pursue the full-time research, like for the MPhil or the PhD without any JRF of UGC NET or UGC Council of Scientific Industrial Research, UGC CSIR NET. Okay, if you don't have any JRF score like the UGC CSIR and you want to desire the full-time course, in that case you can take it. Okay, eligibility, the candidate has to fulfill the following condition, like belong to particular minority community, Muslim, Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, and like as per the Buddhist as per the section 2C of the National Commission for the Minority Act 1992, and he should submit the minority community certificate of the self declaration. Okay, and a registration for the regular full time only MPhil PhD courses. Okay, and the minority community students are considered eligible for the fellowship, not be entitled for benefit under any other scheme. If you are entitled, other scheme will be not covered. Okay, and the actual payment for the fellowship will be effective from the date of joining. Okay, fellowship cannot be transferred from one minority community to another, and the annual income is 4.5 lakhs. It should be not exceeded. Okay, this is the things you can see, or you can read all the details. What are the rate of the fellowship you have given. Okay, house rate allowances also, single seated hostel accommodation will be provided to NIRF जो candidate for the university institution. Okay, there is no separate medical like the allowances will be provided. In that case, all will be mixed and it will be provided. Okay, and a leave is 30 days for the leave in a year in the addition to public holiday. Procedure for applying is application and invite in the prescribed format annexure 1 in a year through the advertisement leading newspaper. It will publish and employment news. The same is also uploaded in the UGC website. You have to also check the website is www.ugc.ac.in. okay, as per the UGC Act it will be given. Okay, for the minority students or the minority who are want to pursue their career in MPhil and PhD having no JRF, it's okay. If want to pursue your higher studies for the research purposes, it will be benefit for you. Okay, the procedure is application received will be scrutinized and shortlisted by the commission. The decision of the commission will be final and binding. The commission reserves the right to withdraw, cancel the award like without any assigning any reason. Okay, you can read all the detailed procedure for the releasing grant. They will release. Okay, procedure of monitoring, they will monitor your university college will be monitor. Okay, other condition is the university institution shall admit the fellow under MA&F scheme for the research leading MPhil or PhD irrespective of the stipulated number of research student transfer of fellowship, and this will be the format. Okay, you have to fill up it. Okay, all the details you have to fill up. HRA certificate, house rent allowances, it will be given, or like if the college or institution having no accommodation, they will give the HRA allowances. Okay, So Mulan Azad National Fellowship for the Minor Student Joining Report, okay, under the University Grant Commission, New Delhi. So this is the utilization certificate only for fellowship and HRA. Form of submitting account of contingency grant and the utilization certificate, all are there. I will send the link on my description box. You can check it, or you can check from the website also, www.ugc.ac.in. okay, this is the great information. This is the most important information for the students who are belong to minority community and they want to pursue their higher education. So I think as a citizen, every citizen should be get entitled for this, and particular we have to also protect the dignity of the minority, and they are also beneficial for us also, and we are protecting and we are also giving the education, we are also promoting them, okay. For the promoting purpose for the education, government trying to give the Maulana Azad National Fellowship for the students who are pursuing their like the regular courses of MPhil and PhD, okay. It's entitled for the 5 years, okay. So this is the great information. I think it will be useful for you, and I hope at the last of video I want to request you, if you think this is useful for all the students, you can share it as per your possibility, okay. As per free time you can watch this video and you can download it, you can read all the notification before applying it, and I try to find out, I want to I hope you are all my family members. If you are not share, if you will not share, who will share, who will support me, okay. So as a family member, it's my right to tell you, okay. So you are all my PIDA members, you are the cause of my success, okay. Thank you, Jai Hind, and also give your comment so that I can rectify myself what type of video you want in your future or in upcoming day. I want waiting your comment, okay. So because I like your comments, whenever I reading your comments, I really get the taste of your, I really enjoy your comments, okay. It gave the motivation for motivation, okay. Thank you, Jai Hind, take care and stay at home, stay at nature and stay at safe also, and support the government, beat to corona, okay. India will win, we will to beat to corona. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.